Welcome back, gang. Let's get cracking, see what this parcel is. iFlight FPV racing drone. Sorry folks, but I think you're about to be green with envy. I'm sure you guys have seen these before. Yes, you got it. It's the Green Hornet. I don't mean the superhero. Let's run through some specs, see what's in the box. Betafly hookup. Alright, thanks for stopping by. This is going to be awesome. This thing is FAB fab. Okay, so in the box, wiring diagram for your boards. Receiver, VTX, LED, 4-in-1, ESCs, camera and GPS. Stickers! Everybody loves stickers. 1, 2, 3, 4 spare props. A USB 90-degree adapter modifier thingy-majiggy. Right hand polarized. Couple of anti-skid pads. They feel quite nice. Yeah, more stickers. 2 tiny hex head screws. Spare iFlight battery strap. Some more little tiny screws. A couple of plastic tubes with some end caps for your antenna. Comes nicely packaged up. Got some foam up here to stop it from getting knocked around. What does it weigh? Well, that's easy. This thing's weighing in at 261 grams. So they're recommending, this is a 4S version, they're recommending for outdoor flight to give yourself a bit more flight time, a 4S 1300 milliamp. Wide, guys, you're looking at about 21, and deep you're looking at around 20 centimeters. Pretty much bang on 3 centimeters, 30 mil. Double frame here, guys, looks pretty strong. This padding on the side here, that's going to be really good for those knocks and bumps and crashes. It's not really a freestyle unit. It's more of a mount your Osmo Action GoPro on the front here and get some really cool steady footage. XT60 plug at the rear, our receiver antennas here, XM Plus receiver that I've got in this one. Just down the side here, that's where we're going to need to utilize our 90-degree adapter. That allows you to hook in to your Betafly Eachine E520S kV motors. Pre-tuned Betafly for nice, smooth, steady operation. So like I said before, get your 360 camera on here, your Osmo Action, and get some pretty decent footage from it. You can also mount the DJI Air unit into this. As I said, I've got the XM Plus receiver, so I'm not going to run that at this stage because I don't have it. Cadex EOS2, so that should do a pretty decent job all on its own. It's quite impressive. And in the guts, yes, smart audio, 35 amp ESCs in your stack there. If you don't want to purchase the mount here for the front specifically, there's plenty of room here. You can actually mount some of your GoPro gear, attach it down here and hard fix it on. I'm going to stick the Runcam 5 on the front of this and get myself some footage. I'm going to Betafly it, run through some connections, and we'll see how she flies. Okay guys, so here is a quick Betafly rundown. First of all, I'm just going to say I actually upgraded the firmware on my board. This is the Betafly F4 board. I was running, it was 4.1.0, so I've done a firmware upgrade to 4.1.3. So if you guys are going to do this, a couple of things you need to quickly change and double check. Otherwise you'll find your Hornet will not take off. So firstly, just grab yourself your port screen and make sure this is back onto UART2. Make sure you have your D-Shot 300 running, Quad X, and motor direction is reversed. Okay, that's very important because they will all be completely different. 4K, gyro and PID. Everything else down here is pretty much the same. Green Hornet, of course I'm running XM Plus Frsky, so you'll want serial based and S-Bus down here. And quickly, other features, all you're going to need is your telemetry, air, OSD, anti and dynamic. Power and battery. You want your battery information displayed. This is upgraded to display none, so you need it to say onboard ADC for both, otherwise you will have no battery information. Fail safe, I didn't touch, and of course the PID tuning I've left as is, and it flies very nicely. So the receiver, guys, make sure your auxiliary 12 is running for your RSSI. My setup for my Tyrannus is TAER. Make sure you're hooked up like you should be. Other screens I haven't really needed to touch at all, apart from just sorting out what displays I'm going to have on the screen here. Betaflight in a nutshell to get your Green Hornet up in the air. Thanks, gang. Green Hornet. See you next time. See her fly in the sky. Sky Pilot. Yeah, holy moly, that would have been interesting. Should check the train timetable. As soon as the train passes, we're going to get up in the sky. It's maiden flight. And she's off. It's a very steady flyer, folks. Okay, I'm not going to do a punch out, but I'm going to do a lift off. You can see it's a little bit windy here. We're compensating for the wind a bit. Okay, let's check out an aerial shot. Oh, it's very windy up there. Okay. Alright, let's bring it back down again. Nicely caught. Well, that was a quick line of sight, and I've got to tell you, it's feels like a really nice, smooth flying. Yeah, really good PID tune on it. It's definitely on FPV, flips and whoops and ducks and weaves and turns. Certainly meant for your GoPro. Might start drizzling in a minute, so I'm going to quickly don the old Sky Zones and yeah, go for a quick bit of FPV and capture some footage with that Cadex. Let's go. Blast, gang. It started to rain, so I don't want to get the Green Hornet wet and soggy, so I might just call it quits. I may post this video as part 1, and hopefully this rain will stop soon. I can actually get the FPV going and get some decent footage for you guys. Awesome. Hey, thanks for stopping by. The Green Hornet. You little ripper. Sky Pilot. Catch you real soon, guys. Take it easy.